What's down there? Is that good? Is that delicious? Here, baby. Phoenix. One bite. Nom nummy. Yummy. Look, there's yours right there. See? That's my spoon. Where's your spoon? Yummy. Delicious. Look, there's yours right there. Can you put some on your spoon? Phoenix. Phoenix, are you gonna give some to Sissy? Oh yeah, she likes that. She says those are good fingers. Tasty. Sissy gets a treat. What do you think, Sissy? Baby fingers with squash. Yummy. Bite. Delicious. Uh-oh, you drop it. Now you put some on your spoon, Phoenix. Look, right here. Phoenix. Look. You want some right there? Good job. Good job. There's some more. Sissy, get out of the kitchen. Go lay down. Here. There's your spoon right there. Yummy. Yummy. There you go. Phoenix. Sissy, go lay down. Here you go. More? Another bite? Oh. There you go. There's more. No puppies over here to give food to. You want another bite? There you go. I'll take that one. Good job. Good job, buddy. You got it in your mouth. Delicious.